Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nate. Thanks a lot for joining me here today. I just wanted to put this quick video together that I pulled out of my recent video that I did of the whole unboxing of the 2020 Toro Super Recycler. I'll have a few different links throughout this video if you desire to check that one out as well. When running through the initial setup of this mower, I ran into some troubles with hooking up this battery. There wasn't a full-blown manual that came along with this mower. I don't know if that was by error or by design. Either way, since I struggle with this, I thought maybe there's other people that may run into the same issue as well, so I'm putting out this quick video. So I wasn't real sure on which direction the terminals were supposed to face. Kind of messed around with it for a little bit, but I couldn't figure out how to store this cable inside this box and yet make sure all of the connections fit securely. So I did what any other person does in 2020. They went to YouTube. I could not find any videos that showed how to set this up for this particular model. After doing a little hunting around the internet, I came across the actual manual here out on Home Depot's website. And then within the manual, I found the section on replacing the fuse. It's kind of tough to tell here, but the negative is on the left and the positive is on the right. Technically, this was in the opposite direction of how I had this battery in the case. What really threw me off here was the way that my terminals were bent. As you can see, they're bent towards the outside of the battery. However, the image here in the manual makes it look like it is either straight up or even pointed towards the center. Well, I had no idea if I should have done this or not, but I very gently, with some needle nose pliers, bent the terminals the other direction. I did this very carefully because I did not want to snap these things off. And ultimately, this got me in a position where I was able to fully secure this battery in the case. If you have some more knowledge around this, please by all means share it with me down below in the comments. Hopefully I did this right. So far, it's been working out just fine. And then I went ahead and just, as extra precaution, wrapped the terminals in some electrical tape. Thanks a lot for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope it brought some value to you. Take care, guys. Bye.